healing. Understanding Percy's deep-seated anxiety and distress after losing his family, the shelter staff realized they needed a different approach to help him adjust. Stacy was determined to provide the support and love Percy needed to overcome his fears and rebuild his trust in humans, recognizing that Percy's behavior stemmed from trauma rather than malice. The shelter decided to enroll him in a specialized program designed for cats with behavioral challenges. They brought in a professional animal behaviorist to work closely with Percy, using gentle methods to make him feel secure and slowly integrate him into a stable, loving environment. Stacy, along with the shelter team, pledged to stay by Percy's side throughout his journey, believing that with patience and time, he could learn to trust again. They knew that healing wouldn't happen overnight, but they were ready to do whatever it took to give Percy the second chance he deserved. Percy's story of resilience and Stacy's unwavering commitment touched the hearts of many in the community. People reached out to offer support, donations, and even help with Percy's rehabilitation. Stacy never lost hope, and with the collective effort of the shelter and the kindness of the community, she believed that one day Percy would finally find his forever home, a place where he could feel safe and truly loved.